Have you ever noticed this strange pattern? Every time the US dollar weakens, Bitcoin starts rising. Every time the market expects the Fed to cut interest rates, crypto suddenly wakes up. This is not random. It's one of the most powerful money flow patterns in global markets. And if you understand this rule, you can understand why Bitcoin moves before the news even breaks. In the next 5 minutes, I'll explain in a very simple way why a weak US dollar often leads to strong crypto markets, where the money flows when USD loses strength, and what retail investors should avoid to not FOMO blindly. This video is not financial advice. It's education to help you understand how markets work. Here's the simplest explanation. When money loses value, people look for assets that don't. When the US dollar is strong and interest rates are high, saving money pays well, bonds are attractive, investors avoid risk, and crypto slows down. But when the dollar weakens or the market expects lower interest rates, holding cash feels like losing value. Bonds become less interesting. Investors move from safe to risk on. Stocks rise, gold rises, and yes, crypto rises. That's why many call Bitcoin digital gold. It's a hedge against fiat losing value. And altcoins attract high-risk capital when sentiment becomes optimistic. Weak USD plus cheaper money equals higher risk appetite, and crypto pumps easier. To prove this isn't just theory, here are real examples. When DXY dropped from 105 to 100, Bitcoin climbed more than 30%. When the Fed signaled a pause in rate hikes, BTC jumped from 26K to 30,000 in days. And every time the Fed hints at rate cuts, altcoins and even meme coins rally, because the crowd thinks, money's getting cheaper, time to chase returns. But this is also when retail makes the most mistakes, buying random coins. Trend coins, low-quality tokens at the late FOMO phase. So what should you do when you hear the dollar is weakening, the Fed may cut rates, sentiment is turning risk on? Ask these 3 questions. 1. Is money shifting from safe assets to risk assets? 2. Is Bitcoin leading, or are altcoins already overstretched? 3. Do I have a plan for entry and exit, or am I buying emotionally? Understand macro first. Choose assets second. Never all in because of one headline or 2 green candles. Crypto moves fast, but surviving long-term requires clarity and discipline. If you want more simple, easy to understand videos about macro, money flows, and how markets move, make sure to subscribe to Zero to Crypto. We'll keep creating content to help you invest smarter and stay confident in this volatile market. See you in the next video.